Hey guys, and welcome to Beatmakers. My name is Jonathan, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get started today making beats and producing your own music. So let's get right into it. The first thing I want to tell you about is the music creation app we use called Soundtrap. We use Soundtrap in all of our classes, and when you sign up, even for one of our free programs, you'll get 3 months of free access to our premium level account. That means you'll have access to thousands of loops, instruments, and beats to help you get creative making your own music. Now, all of our programs and classes have been designed especially for students ages 8 to 18. But even if you're a little bit older than that, and you're just getting started out in music production, you'll still probably really appreciate the lesson pacing and the step-by-step demonstrations. Alright, so let's take a look at 3 different ways you can jump into beat making today. First, you can try one of our free remix projects, totally free, where you'll get the chance to remix a well-known song into your own EDM hit. Each lesson includes 30 minutes of step-by-step instructions, free 90-day access to our Soundtrap account, and MIDI samples to get you started on your first remix. Another great way to get started is by joining Level 1 of our music production course. Level 1 includes 2.5 hours of video tutorials covering foundational topics like creating music in a DAW, that's a digital audio workstation like Soundtrap, making and programming your own beats with a drum machine, using virtual MIDI instruments to customize the sound of your music, how to edit digital audio with lots of tips and tricks for getting around quickly, composing new music using loops and samples from the loop library, and how to get started mixing your own songs as a music producer. We also offer live, in-person, and online classes for students in 2nd through 6th grade. Beatmakers Live covers the foundations of music production, beat making, and songwriting. In class, our teachers help students apply what they learn to remix projects of well-known songs, and they coach them through the process of writing brand new original compositions. Making beats and producing your own music is so much fun, and it's a great way to express yourself creatively. So jump into one of our classes, grab your free account access to Soundtrap, and let's get you started making beats today. I'll see you in one of our classes soon.